fade yellow sun.
Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. And welcome to day 2 of using our clubs from the March 2026 All Clubs Crate from Spellbinders. Today I'm going to be using the press and foil of the month, which is the Greetings Maker set. And I've already selected the sentiments I'm going to use here. And I'm actually going to use the ones that are on the cover here that say happy birthday to the best friend ever. And so I've got those set up on my BetterPress, but I'm going to do a combination of BetterPress and foiling. I'm going to BetterPress the sentiments, and then I brought in this older Glimmer of the Month. It was December 2023, and it's a My Heart Smiles Glimmer plate, and it's a floral plate here that I'm going to use. And I'm going to be using 2 of my glimmer foils for my stash. I'm using teal and bright pink. So let's get started. What I've done here is I've gone ahead and aligned my sentiment plates here how I want them. And I'm going to go in with the card panel here just to make sure I line it up where I want it. Hopefully I've got it right here. Then I'll go in and I've added this sticky mat to my top plate from my BetterPress just to get the cardstock on there. And then I just want to make sure I didn't shift over my plates here. Okay, I think they look okay. So I'm going to go in with some VersaFine Clear ink and ink these up. And I'm going to be ever so gentle because on my first attempt at doing this, I was so excited to do it that I pressed down real hard, and then I went and BetterPressed, and when I looked at my card, one of the strips was missing, the very bottom one. It wasn't pressed on my card. That's because I pressed so hard on my with my ink pad that I actually lifted it onto my ink pad. And then I was going crazy looking all over the place in my craft room for that sentiment plate. So while I want to make sure I get good ink coverage, I don't want to press so hard that I'm actually lifting my plates from there. Okay, so now, oh goodness, did I have this way? I think so. Yeah. Okay, so let me get this pressed.
Resting your head in my arms, you sing la 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 la.
Perfect. Happy birthday to the best friend ever. So then I want to kind of gently clean these up because I am going to make 2 of these cards, one in pink and one in teal. And I may have to line up my sentiment again because I shifted this one. Now I'm going to be very honest with you guys. This is my second time recording this because on the first attempt at making my card, oh man, I had so many boo-boos and interruptions and just, yeah, it wasn't going to work. So I just decided to scrap that and start over and hope for the best on this one.
Of all your sorrows in the summer city, you'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Oh, look how pretty. All right, so I'm going to set these off to the side for now so that I don't lose them again. Then my next step is going to be to foil that floral image on these panels. So I have a combination of foil and BetterPress. So I'm going to bring in my glimmer, turn it on. There we go. And then while that heats up, I want to kind of place my floral glimmer plate on here and just grab some washi tape to make kind of a hinge so I'll know where it goes when I place my foil down.
Forever laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can do anything. Just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I.
All right, let's take a peek. Oh, that came out beautifully. Just beautifully. Okay, I'm going to try and keep the tape on my plate here so I can do it again for my next card panel. Now I noticed on this one I got some overfoiling, so I'm just coming in with some washi tape and kind of lifting that overfoiling off. There we go, that's not too bad. Now I'm going to use black card bases, but I'm going to trim these down first. So I want to trim it down to 4 by 5 1/4.
Rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows.
Then I am going to pop these up on some foam tape. So I have some black foam tape in my stash, that this roll of foam that I figured I'll use up before I start using my foam squares.
On earth, I would rather be. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer.
Alrighty, I am going to use just a few of these black onyx gems, maybe just in the center of some of these flowers.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see.
Alrighty friends, there are my 2 completed cards using this month's press and foil of the month, and I think they turned out great. So glad I decided to redo this video because the first one, not so much. In fact, let me show it to you. I had to end up cutting down the foiling that I did here because I tried foiling the sentiments and they came out crooked, and then when I foiled the sentiments separately, they still came out crooked. I just wasn't happy with it. So this was my failed mission. But I like the way these 2 turned out. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.